Hi, I'm Dejan here, and I have a friend here with me. Her name is Jasmine, and nice to see you, Jasmine, again. You are from JB. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Oh, I'm Jasmine Chi. I'm full-time trader. I'm trading about 13 years. This is my full-time.
Hi, Jasmine. You've been following my signal for a while. Would you like to describe how it can benefit you and other people?
Yes, from the teaching signal, I find that it's more easier for me. So when I receive a signal, I can key in. Then from here, I find a lot of convenience for me.
Yeah. Lastly, Jasmine, can you tell me what do you find that this seminar is effective? Will you actually recommend more people to my seminars?
Oh yes, definitely. I will highly recommend it to my friends to teach seminar because around my friend, I recommend. Normally, I will ask them to for those women who are retired or working as parents, they must learn forex because forex is for their financial freedom way, and teaching seminar is a very good training. It is simple and easy for everyone can go in.
Hi, thank you, Jasmine.